Hello and welcome to SSC Railways Coaching English Medium YouTube channel, and very good afternoon to all of you. Hi, good afternoon everyone. I hope so everyone is doing good. Hi, very good afternoon everyone. Please join me as please join me here quickly. Okay, so as we are going to attempt a 12th and 13th October SSC CGL Tier 2 live mock test with solution, right? So please join me and please share this session with all your friends so that everyone who is preparing for Tier 2 can also attempt a same test which we have conducted on our official website, Oliveboard. Okay. If you have not checked our official website, please go through the official website as we are celebrating at the Cholera part still. And yes, we have a different subscription and we have a different courses also. So, okay. Okay, everyone. So, let's attempt the questions, and here's your first question. Your first question is here, and the question is, which subcommittee in Mauryan Empire managed transport and provisions as mentioned by Megasthenes? Answers please. Answers please everyone. Hi, good evening. Okay, so your options are first, second, third and fourth. Answers? Okay. See, correct answer of this question is basically the subcommittee in the Mauryan Empire managed transport and provision as mentioned by Megasthenes. The correct answer of this question is option number 2. That is your second part. So basically Megasthenes was the ambassador, as you can say. He was the ambassador, first ambassador who visited in Chandragupta Maurya's court, right? And also he wrote a one very popular book, and that book is termed as Indica. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next question, and your next question is here. Your next question is, match list 1 and list 2 regarding the organism and the animal kingdom it belongs to. Animal kingdom is very important for Tier 2 exam. Here's a question. Earthworm, Nematoda, Wucheria, Annelida, Asterias, Echinodermata and Unio mollusca. Answers. Anyone? Try to mention your answer in a comment box, guys. I think you can write, huh? Anyone? Okay. See. Only I guess earthworm and Wucheria are the familiar words, right? Especially in our animal kingdom part. Okay. So let's try to match these things. First of all, earthworm. Earthworm comes under a Annelida part. So A must be attached or matched with the second part. Then after your Wucheria. Wucheria comes under a Nematoda. B, a first part. Okay. Let's see your options please. First of all, A second, B first. A second, B first. Okay. C. Okay. Now we have two options. That is option A and option B. Now let's talk about the Asterias and Unio. So this Asterias associated with a Echinodermata, which is already matched. So the correct answer we have is option number A is your right answer. Okay. Animal kingdom is very important for your syllabus. And can you tell me who gives a 5 kingdom classification? Can you tell me who gives the 5 kingdom classification? Anyone? Deepak, okay. Can you tell me who gives a 5 kingdom classification? Anyone? Okay. Whitaker, exactly. So R.H. Whitaker gives a 5 kingdom classification, right? So correct answer of this question is option number A is your absolutely right answer. Moving to our next question quickly, and your next question is here. Okay, your question is, in the QS World University Ranking released in April 2024, which of the following emerged as the highest ranked Indian universities in the list? Are you able to see the questions properly? I mean, the size of size of font is okay. Indian Institute of Science, Jamia Millia Islamia, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and University of Delhi. Answers, please. Okay. The QS World University Ranking. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. 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 So the correct answer of this question is Jawaharlal Nehru University is absolutely right answer. Next question. Your next question is, okay, the question is, the Indian census does not collect data on. Answer. Option C, Sanjay. Okay. Answers. The Indian census does not collect data on. Very good. Political affiliation. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is political affiliation is a correct answer of this question. So Indian census collect the data usually on the age part, housing type, and mental status also, literacy part, then after population completely part, category, religion related census they also collected. Okay, can you tell me which organization collect the census data? Anyone? Or which usually major organization involved in a census part? Anyone? It's a National Sample Survey Organization. Please find it. Okay, National. Okay, National Sample Survey Organization. It is collected by. Okay, moving to our next question, and your next question is. Your next question is here. During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, which of the following statement is true? Answers. Anyone? During uniform motion of an object along a straight line, which of the following statement is true? The velocity of the object change over time. The change in velocity during any time interval is 0. The object travel along a curved path, or the velocity of the object varies at different point of the path. Answers. Okay. Anyone? Okay. See, the change in velocity during any time interval is 0. This statement is absolutely true. Okay, this is because the velocity of any object remain constant with the time. That is why. So the correct answer of this question is option number B. Moving to our next question and your next question. Okay. Your next question is here. The first and last Indian to hold office as Governor General of Independent India was. First and last Indian to hold office as Governor General. Very simple question, I guess. So, after Lord Mountbatten, when he left, Chakravarti Rajgopalachari, or you can say C. Rajgopalachari, was the first and last Indian to be the Governor General of Independent India. Okay, so he's considered to have been the first and last Indian to hold the post even after 1950. It was basically abolished and replaced by that of the president part. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option number C. Moving to our next question. Your next question is here. Which among the following is a poor quality coal? Anyone? Which among the following is a poor quality coal? Anthracite, bituminous, lignite and peat. Again, a very simple question. Basically, a quality is poor or quality is best is depend on the calorific value of the carbon, right? It's completely depend on the calorific value. Okay, or you can say after heating, after burning, how much ash and the residue is left. Okay, it's also depend on that. Okay. Okay, so see, anthracite is the best quality coal. Okay, only Jammu Kashmir is the site where the anthracite produced, and the cheap quality coal is a peat coal. So the correct answer of this question is option number C. Peat is the worst and or you can say a cheapest quality coal it is. Okay, so the correct answer is this. As I have already told you that it is depend on the calorific value as well as it is depend on the content of the carbon. So in a peat coal there is a less than 40% of carbon content in peat coal, right? In a lignite, there's a little bit about you can say 40 to 50% carbon content in a lignite part. Then after in a bituminous, around up to 75% carbon content is present in bituminous, and the best quality coal is a anthracite, in which around 89% coal is present in a anthracite part. Okay, clear everyone? Okay. Moving to our next question and your next question. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is peat. Next question. Your next question is here. Who amongst the following was associated with the Kakori conspiracy case? Who amongst the following was associated with the Kakori conspiracy case? Sorry. Anyone? Okay. See, Kakori conspiracy was, so basically Kakori conspiracy was armed robbery, right? It was conducted on 9th August 1925. And okay, Ashfaq-Ullah Khan was the person who was associated with the Kakori conspiracy. Okay, so the correct answer is Ashfaq-Ullah Khan. Ram Prasad Bismil was the personality who involved. Ullah Khan, Rajendra Lahiri was the person who was involved. Keshav Chakravarti was there or involved. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option number D is your right answer. Next question. Your next question is, which of the following statement about food chain is not correct? Question. Options are, based on the source of their nutrition or food, organism occupy a specific place in the food chain that is known as their trophic level. The detritus food chain is made up of decomposers, mainly fungi and bacteria. Tertiary consumers belongs to the third trophic level, and all the statements given above are absolutely correct. Please answer. Read the statement carefully. Answers, please. Any idea? Okay. See, tertiary consumers belongs to the third trophic level. This is the only statement which is absolutely correct regarding a food chain, because food chain, based on the source of their nutrition for food, organism occupies specific place in the food chain that is known as their trophic level. No. Okay. So the correct answer is option number C. Next question. Okay. Your next question is, what is the name of the centralized platform launched for registering and monitoring complaint of sexual harassment of women at the workplace in August 2024? Anyone? Okay. Okay. The correct answer of this question is She-Box is the correct answer, as She-Box is a portal which is launched by a union government, or basically a union ministry. Shrimati Annapurna Devi actually launched. The portal name is She-Box. Okay. She-Box portal it is. Yes. So the correct answer is option number B, which track the sexual harassment complaint at the workplace. Okay. So the correct answer is this. Next question. Newton's first law is also called. A very simple question. Newton's first law is also called. Okay. Law of inertia. See, Newton's first law is also known as the law of inertia. Okay. So the correct answer of this question is option number this. Okay. Correct answer. Next question. Okay. Your next question is, which of the following statement is correct regarding the Disaster Management Amendment Bill 2024? Options. Disasters Management Amendment Bill 2024 was introduced in Lok Sabha on 1st August 2024. The bill amends the Disaster Management Act 2005. The bill empower the state government to constitute a separate urban disaster management authority for state capitals and cities with a municipal corporation. The bill provide statutory status to existing bodies such as the National Crisis Management Committee and the high level committees. Answers. Read the statement carefully and their answers. Question is about which of the following statement is or correct regarding the Disasters Management Amendment Bill 2024? Answers. Any idea? Okay. See, disaster management bill, yes, it was launched, right? So the correct answer, correct option, yes, it was introduced in Lok Sabha on 1st August 2025 and they are going to amend the 2005 Act. This statement is absolutely correct. Now, the bill empowered the state government to constitute a separate urban disaster management authority. This is also absolutely correct. Bill provide statutory status to existing body. This statement is also correct. So the correct answer of this question is option number C. S. Here are A, B, C. 3 statements or all statements are absolutely correct regarding our disasters management bill. Okay. Next question. Next question is, who is responsible for advising the President of India in matter related to the appointment of the Prime Minister? Answers please. Who is responsible for advising the President of India in matters related to the appointment of the Prime Minister? See, Prime Minister is appointed or elected post. Can someone tell me? Okay. The correct answer is Union Cabinet is the correct answer. And let me tell you that Prime Minister is an appointed post, right? He is an appointed post and Prime Minister is always appointed by the President of India. He is always appointed by the President of India and who is responsible for advising the President of India in matter related. So, Union Cabinet, actually the Council of Ministers basically advise for the or in the matter of appointment of the Prime Minister. Okay. So, the correct answer is option number C. Next question. Your next question is on the screen. Sorry. Okay. Question is, identify the incorrect statement regarding the cold weather season in India. Okay. Question is from geography season. Now, options are, the cold weather season in India begins from mid-November in northern India and stays till February. The average temperature of Chennai on the eastern coast is between 24 to 25 Celsius. During this season, the southwest trade wind prevail over the country or some amount of rainfall occur on Tamil Nadu coast from the trade wind as they blow from sea to land. Okay. Read the statement carefully and try to answer. Okay. CGL never involved in the appointment of Prime Minister case. Okay. Identify the incorrect statement, please. Okay. So, during a cold season or basically a cold weather season, in this season, the southwest trade winds prevail over the country. This is not a right statement. So, the correct answer is option number C. Okay. Moving to our next question. Your next question is, the fundamental rights are enriched in dash of the Constitution. Very simple question. Come on, I guess everyone can answer this. Anyone? Okay. Yes, we have other subject solutions too. Just let me tell you the timing. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Huh? Reasoning scheduled for 2 p.m. Okay, just after my class, that means. And then after math solutions scheduled for 4 p.m. and your English solution scheduled for 6 p.m. Okay. Okay, part 3, absolutely right. So, part 3rd is a correct answer. Well, fundamental right comes under a part 3rd and article 12 to 35. Okay, try to cover your parts of the constitution from 1 to 6 at least, and in that actually from the top, and from the bottom part you have to cover at least a 6 parts again. Okay, so please try to cover. For example, your part 1, states and territories, article 1 to 4, part 2, citizenship, article 5 to 11, part 3, fundamental rights, article 12 to 35, part 4, DPSPs or directive principles of state policy, article 36 to 51, part 5, the union, article 52 to 151, and part 6, the state, article 152 to 237. Okay, so please try to cover at least complete list of your fundamental rights and the parts of the constitution as well. Moving to our next question, guys, and your next question is here. Suthiocamelius is the scientific name of. Answers. Whenever there is a question arise, the largest cell, which of the following is the largest cell? So we always the answer, this ostrich egg is the largest cell, and this is the scientific name of ostrich actually. Okay, so the correct answer of this question is option number C. Next question on your screen. Your next question is, who among the following leaders chaired the Karachi session 1931 of Congress? (1931) Karachi session. Who among the following leaders chaired the Karachi session 1931 of Congress? Anyone? Okay, so basically in a Karachi session, this particular session was conducted, or you can say held by, chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. This was the same session. In this session, actually, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru draft a fundamental rights. Okay, This was the same session, or you can say in this session Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru has drafted the resolution of fundamental rights and economic program also. Okay, but this session was chaired by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Is that clear? Okay, moving to our next question. Your next question is, which is the largest delta in the world? Question is, which is the largest delta in the world? Ganges Delta, Nile Delta, Amazon Delta and Volga Delta in the world actually. Anyone? No? So basically it's a Ganga Brahmaputra Delta, right? Okay. So the correct answer of this question is, it is a Ganga Brahmaputra Delta. It is the same delta. Okay. So basically it is the largest delta in the world, and two rivers basically involved. First is Ganga, second is Brahmaputra. Okay. Next question. The Reserve Bank sells foreign exchange when there is a deficit. This is called. The Reserve Bank sells foreign exchange when there is a deficit. This is called. Anyone? Actually, this is the official reserve sale, and which is correct answer is option number D. Okay, correct answer is this. Next question. In cholera, which among the following organ is primarily affected? In cholera, which among the following organ is primarily affected? Cholera is a bacterial disease, right? Vibrio cholerae is the bacteria responsible. It is a bacterial disease. Bacteria name is Vibrio cholerae. Okay, and in a cholera part, actually this particular disease or cause when there is a contaminated water consumed. Okay, due to a contaminated water, basically this condition caused, and it affect your intestine part. Okay, so the correct answer is option number D is your absolutely right answer. No, not C. Okay, no issues. Moving to our next question, and your next question is, you can also join my daily class Monday to Friday, schedule at 1 PM on a daily basis. Okay, so you can join me here on a daily basis at 1 PM. Okay, your next question is, following statements are made regarding atmospheric pollution. Atmospheric pollution is generally studied as tropospheric and stratospheric pollution. The presence of ozone in the stratosphere prevent about 99.5% of the sun's harmful UV radiation from reaching the Earth's surface and thereby protecting human and the other animal from its effect. Which of these statements are correct answers? Please read the statement carefully. Okay. Correct answer is option number A and B. Actually, both the statements are absolutely correct. Next question. Your next question is, what is the broad meaning of internal migration? What is the broad meaning of internal migration? Anyone? Movement of people from one village to another, movement of people from rural area to urban, movement of people within a country, or movement of people among country. See, internal migration means movement of people within a country. So, the correct answer of this question is option number C. Next question. Which of the following statement are correct about the Constitution Assembly? First is, the Assembly was constituted in 1947. The member of the Constituent Assembly were indirectly elected by the member of the existing provincial assemblies. Okay. Sorry. Just 158 members were elected by the provincial assemblies or the Constituent Assembly following the partition of the country in 1947 consisted of 299 members as of 31st December 1947. Answers. Okay. Read the statement. Now, these are your options, answers. Statement correct. See, the assembly was constituted in 1947. No, it was constituted in 1946. That means your first statement is not right, right? The member of the Constituent Assembly were indirectly elected. Absolutely right. 158 members were elected. No, the Constitution Assembly following the partition of the country in 1947 consisted of 299 members. Absolutely correct. That means we only have two statements. So, the correct answer is option number C. Next. Your next question is, Article 12 of Indian Constitution has defined the term state for the purpose of Part 3rd of Indian Constitution. According to it, the state includes which of the following? LIC, ONGCs, municipalities, panchayat. Answers. Article 12, absolutely correct, associated with the definition of the state. Now, in the under a state definition, LICs come, yes, ONGC, yes, municipalities and panchayat, absolutely correct. That means the correct answer of this question is all. Correct answer is option number D. Next. The National Investigation Agency is under the administrative control of. Answers. The National Investigation Agency is under the administrative control of Ministry of Defence, Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Law and Justice. I'm doing a chapter-wise series only on the SSC coaching by Oliveboard. Actually, it is a English medium channel. On the English medium channel, I'm taking a static GK and a mixed question classes schedule at 1 p.m. As I got the great feedback, definitely I will create your classes or topic-wise or a series-wise. Okay. So, the correct answer is Ministry of Home Affairs is absolutely right answer. Next question. Your next question is, the process of entering data and instruction to a computer is called. Answers please. Okay. B. Correct answer. Inputting is the correct answer. Well, here we have covered the general knowledge part, as I'm not associated with the computer knowledge. So here we have covered the solution of GK part, and your next solution for reasoning is scheduled for 2 p.m. Okay. As well as if you are exploring any English medium course, so we have English medium courses. You can check our official website. So recently, from 1st of November, if you are seeking a particular concept, if you are seeking a particular theory part, definitely you can opt a SSC Foundation Batch 2.0 Mission 2025. This batch is going to be start from 1st of November. So definitely this is a right time to take this part. Okay. If you are preparing for RRB NTPC, definitely you can check this course. And as we are preparing for the SSC CGL Tier 2, so we have 2 courses. One course is starting today, that is the SSC CGL Tier 2 2024 Revision Plus Practice, and SSC CGL Tier 2 2024 course Crash Course. Okay, so you can take a course of your choice. So here we have completed this session, everyone. We'll meet you tomorrow at 1 p.m. on the same channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to share this video with all your friends. Bye-bye and hit the like button. Thank you.